with you two swing trades, QS quantum space. Here is the quantum space. Oversold near major support zones, volume spikes, possible reversal soon. You can look the map chart and the chart telling you by itself without explaining anything where you will see the price right now at 50 EMA at the 50-day moving average. Price is hitting here. My second swing trade for today is CRK and trend steep corrections, highly oversold on all time frames, bounce potential. Let's see the chart. Charts tells everything. You can view the chart by yourself. What you looking here right now, double, triple, fourth. Whenever the price come here, it go over here. This, my dear friends and sister, this is your channel, Trade with Harp from San Francisco. I start with the name of God and try my best to do a chart analysis for you so you can make your better entries. And I also sharing my own strategy here. You can watch, review and apply on your chart first. I want you to go back to Google or ChatGPT or wherever you want to go and try your own analysis, CRK and quantum space. Find what they do, because I don't want to make the video long. So these information you can easily find on your channels or on internet. And today, and I also sharing my knowledge with you, what is parallel channel, what is price action signal, key economic catalysts, institutional behavior, and strategy advice for traders. My dear brothers and sisters, this piece of information I'm sharing with you, it's come directly from the Wall Street my Wall Street mentor. It's very knowledgeable. If you are in trading, this is the one you need to know. Let's start with parallel channel before we go to swing trade strategies. Here. First, I will start with parallel channel. What is parallel channel? This is $1 million question. If you know this only one technique make your trading effective. Give me a 30 more seconds to explain to you before you go. Let me show you parallel channel. So go for, like, you can open Microsoft. Let's open S&P 500 here. So I will show you the parallel channel. I'm going to, because this is, I'm explaining you all day, from the last 1 week, I'm explaining you all these charts and trend lines. Let's go to weekly chart. My dear brothers and sisters, what are you looking here? So this trend line from 2020 hit here, 2022 hit back here, 2025, and this trend line whenever hit here, it hit over here. So if we just follow this trend line, this make your trading effective. So I will show you one magic here. Let's go to I make a channel here, but I didn't make a channel for you for Microsoft. Let's do over here magic. This is the line, you can see. This is a weekly chart. It's a daily chart, weekly, same. So this is, I make a trend line at the bottom. You can see 1, 2, and hit here again. I'm not making a line here. I will just take this line up and place over here. And if you see it again hitting the tops, bring it back. Oh, I'm sorry. Bring it back over here. If you will learn this parallel channel, your strategies, your trading will be advanced. If you know this trading, this line, when the Microsoft hit here, this trend line, you know what's time to do. Not to wait. If you still stuck here, don't worry. Price coming back. I'm just don't want to discourage you. This is my job for educational purpose only. I just teach and educate people so you guys learn your chart better. So this is the channel for MSFT. Then I'll explain you S&P 500. Let me do one more time. So hope you understand this thing. And let's do little more here. Let me go to daily chart and explain you what's next. So over here, let me explain what's a market behavior. The second topic is here, price action. This is very important, my dear brothers and sisters. Please learn this one if you want to become effective, efficient, and progressive, and productive, and profitable. So gap up, fade down, institutional dumping. What is this? Gap up, fade down. If you will, last Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, if you realize what is gap up and fade down, I explain you in a second for you. Retail buys, pre-market gap. Institutional use liquidity to offload big positions. This is seen all week, Monday. Let's go to the chart. 1 second, let me open here. Yeah, so I will not make the video long. I just make very small and explain you. So this is Monday. If you see here, this is daily 4-hour charts. So you will see a gap up here. So every day we have gap up and close below 4 hour. So if you see here on Monday, gap up, flat close. Tuesday, Thursday, gap up, lower close. Even we have a good earning on Microsoft and Meta. Bearish engulfing candle over here. My map is a little slow. Yeah, bearish engulfing candle. So what does it mean? So in the morning, institutions or pre-market. So when you see a pre-market gap up, so it encourage the retailers to buy. So every Monday, so not every Monday, last Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, you will see the pre-market gap up, and it encourage retailer to buy. And when they buy, the market close below. This is what institutional do. So this is we need to learn, and this is also give us an education what we do on Monday or next week. Let me go back here. So institutional behavior. Institutions are selling into a strength using retail FOMO, buying at open. Strong earning reactions. You saw this clearly in QQQ, MSFT, Microsoft, and Meta. Once the market open, price go up, everyone start buying bullish, and then in the middle of the day they start selling and close the day below the previous day low. This is the way institutional selling and offloading their load on us. If you are a long, this is an advice. I'm not your financial advisors. This is what I will do for my assets, for my stocks, for my money. So I will do, if you are long and crypto or stocks, tighten your stop loss and be ready to reduce risk on any gap up, open the fade. So on the all week, the institution raise the price, gap up, then sell off. So in next week, whenever I get my chance to gap up, every morning I will not add more money. I will sell off my assets and or get a profit. So this is my strategies. And watch for volume divergence. High volume down days are distributions. If you are looking for entries, wait for confirmation of support on daily chart. Use oversold bounces for short-term trades but don't overstay long. What monitor next? More downsides below this trend line. So you can monitor this trend line. So I think this is all I try to explain you and share my knowledge. What's parallel channel, price actions. This is a key economic catalyst. I hope you all know, guys know this, and you can easily find this information on news. And I just put here, if you want to read, you can pause my video and read it. And institutional behavior. I already explained to you what's institutional behavior, and this is my strategic advice for traders. But again, this is only for educational purpose. I want you to realize this, my informations, apply on your chart and study by yourself, and then take your decision by yourself. My job is I want to make you enable you can do your own chart analysis without me in the future. And this is what we already discussed. Let's Tesla is the last. I will explain you Tesla wedge setup in the last. Let's go for, as I promised with you, my 2 swing trade strategies. QuantumScape. Let me open this QuantumScape. So I already explained you why I choose or pick up this stock. My Wall Street mentor doing the same entries on this stock. So I just follow him. And again, a good book is a good friend, but a good friend is a library. I repeat again, a good friend is a good book is a good friend, and a good friend is a library. I hope you will find out the math. So this is my current price on August 1st, 2025, and this will be my support zones, and this is a resistance 860, 917 and 1092. Resistance means exits. It means entries. I will make entries on three different places and exit similarly in 3 different steps. This is A plus plan. Entry over here, 10 cents plus minus. I make it more precise here for myself, and I will add more dips if towards 799 or 810 with strength. This will be my stop loss, and this is hard stop loss, and this is conservative depending on the risk management, however you choose. This is all resistance here, and you will see those are the targets and expected hold time for me. This is my chart analysis, 4 to 15 trading days. This is, I explain you here, trading confirmations. RSI oversold below 40, showing signs of base formations. I want you to, this information is very important. These technical confirmations, I want you to take your own chart, apply on this chart, find this information if this seems good to you or not, or you can discuss with your family or any trader whom you trust, or any knowledgeable person who know the knowledge of chart analysis. And this is a MACD bearish momentum fading. Look for a cross above signal line. Let's go back to the chart and volume. This is very important. Watch for spike above 20 days average, reversal confirmations, and Fibonacci candles. Look for first strong green candle in 4-hour daily chart. Professional notes, only enter after confirmation of reversal. Ideal entry is after morning flush or retest 820. 820, I will explain you what is retest. Don't average down and take profit at targets. And all this one is daily, 4-hour and 1-hour chart analysis. And if this information is free of cost, is available right now for a limited time at my Discord channel. So, and if you like to join my Discord channel, it's a free right now, and I put these entries on my channel every morning and share my trades. Next one is CRK. So I will, let me see QS for you very quick. So this is information you will see here. You can look the chart on the daily, the price hitting the 50 EMA. This is enough for me to this is the reversal, possible reversal here. This is all the indicators I used here. EMA crossover, chandelier exits. Algo alpha, it tells me all these time frames at one place, and VWAP and triple EMA crossover. And I also use support and resistance. Then I also use a volume, and then I use a mechanical RSI. I use MACD, I use ATR, I use trading toolkit is a RSI divergence kit. So I use all these indicators and do my chart analysis on the basis of indicators. No FOMO, no guessing. My trading is all basis on chart analysis. You call it math, statics, physics, whatever you call it. But this is way I do chart analysis for you. And this is CRK. This is my entries on these prices, and this is my exits. I will not take longer here. I will let you go very soon because I already explained all the chart in the previous quantum space. Now I want you to do your homework, open your chart and find all this information. If this is true, you can take your decision by yourself. Again, I'm not your financial advisors, so just take it as an educational purpose only. And if you have any question, you can join my Discord channel and send me a message. I can do my best to explain any chart you need it. And if you want to see more swing trades, again, you need to know, you can write me in a comment on a YouTube or join my channel. I think I discussed everything. If you have any question, let me know. God bless you. God bless you and have a success. God bless you, everybody. Thank you.